Today, we're going to discuss the automated milk pump control. John Brooks has been developing and manufacturing milk pump controls here in New Zealand for over 30 years, and we are widely used across New Zealand, Australia, and further abroad. Dairy-Flo uses a New Zealand-made stainless cabinet. This ensures that inner components are kept in a safe from elements and pests. On the front of the Dairy-Flo, you can see the LCD display and buttons used to control all the functions available to you. All commissioning is done via the keypad on the door and can be set up in minutes by following the prompts on the front screen, saving time and money when setting up the new installation. The main function of the Dairy-Flo is to provide efficient and intelligent control over the milk pump. Using the variable speed control on the milk pump reduces the load on the farm's cooling system by controlling and varying the pump speed. This enables us to reduce the milk's flow rate through the heat exchanger, allowing it to further reduce the temperature before it arrives at the vat, decreasing the running costs of the refrigeration system on the site. Using an analog float mounted in the receiving can, we can tune desired milk levels within the can, acceleration, deceleration times, and the minimum and maximum speeds to ensure that the Dairy-Flo matches the individual needs of each shed. When milking, we can use the Dairy-Flo to operate an air purge solenoid, allowing the farmer to recover any milk remaining in the line using compressed air as opposed to chasing it with water, minimizing milk loss and the risk of pumping water into the vat. Using an external switch, we can change the mode of the Dairy-Flo between its defaults milk mode to wash mode, and should the need arise, froth control mode. Switching to the wash mode unlocks a couple of individual settings that we can use to adjust the performance of the pump to ensure it keeps up with the higher volumes of water passing through the shed during its wash cycle. In addition to this, when in wash mode, we can also use the Dairy-Flo to operate your plate cooler solenoid, offering further savings on running costs as the plate cooler is not required during the wash cycle. Froth control mode is a separate mode used to combat the froth that is generated during the start and end of milking as the flow to the receiving can varies. We can manipulate the pump to ramp up to speed more aggressively, creating vortices within the receiving can, helping to pull the denser froth through with the milk. An adjustable timer also reverts the Dairy-Flo back to the milk mode after the set time. Our aim is to listen to you and understand your needs so that we can respond correctly and help you with your needs. Have a project at hand? Got a question? Contact your nearest John Brooks branch today because help is just a phone call away.